Orion Innovation, and they have volunteered to support us in the digital technology. Can we have a big round of applause, students? I will request the students to stand up and then clap. Only the students for the benefit.
First of all, it's truly a honor to be back in school. I think probably I'm back in school after 30 years. Right, that makes me nervous at the same time. I'm so excited and overwhelmed. And thank you for all students, honorees here who made a lot of contribution. How amazing is your contributions. I'm truly honored to learn. You know, honestly, I feel like I sit there and I feel like I could have done more, lot more in my life. Yeah? So thank you so much for your social contribution. It is truly an honor to be here on this special occasion, and I'm also thankful to my team who, it was a surprise to me. I did not know what the team is really doing, and truly honored to Rahul and Ramesh, what you guys are really doing and your contribution back to school. Right? Thank you so much. Now, being part of, I'm 25 years, I am part of Orion. We do a lot for the contribution. Giving back to community is truly, we believe in it. At the same time, a lot of time what happens, our reach is sometimes limited, and thank you for giving us this opportunity for being part of this program and allowing us to be part, making a difference. We are truly committed for what we offer ourselves, and there are volunteers, couple of them are here already. Thank you to all of them, because it's very important being an IT guy, the life is not a 10-hour job or 8-hour job. Sometimes it goes long. In the middle, somebody committing themselves to all of you students and them coming and teaching you guys, please take full advantage of that and learn from them. These are the true experts. You are learning them, not just theory, you are learning from them actually the practical experience of how to make a difference. You heard from JB, you heard from Ramesh, hope, keep the hope high. JB mentioned about the world leaders came out of Tamil Nadu. Look, everybody is proud of all of you, and you have the same opportunity. If today you don't have an opportunity in India, I don't know which other era will have that opportunity. India is growing, you guys are lucky kids. So take 100% advantage and ask for more. Don't be fearful, ask questions, dare. I think that's the way to do. And remember, everybody who is sitting here, including myself, we all come from the same situations. We all were fearful one at some point in time. But I ask you to dare, ask question, ask for more.
At the outset, let me just thank the members of the Orion Innovation for coming forward to sponsor this computer lab. I'm really thankful to you. On behalf of the Ambattur also, I can thank you, and also on behalf of the Rotary International District 3234, I would like to thank you and look forward for many more support like this in the future for this school. And at this time, I would also like to thank the Rotary Club of Ambattur, which is going to touch 50 years. In the next 2-3 years, there will be a club which is more than 50 years in this our Rotary district. And they have spoken about the school. So now in the Ambattur Club, this Ambattur Club கிட்டத்தட்ட டிஸ்ட்ரிக்ட்ல வந்துட்டு ஒரு 200 கிளப் இருக்குதுன்னா அதில் ஒரு 10 கிளப்பு ரொம்ப ஓல்டு கிளப் பர்மனன்ட் ப்ராஜெக்ட்ஸ் எடுத்துகிட்டு ஒரு கிளப்பு நடத்துதுன்னா இதில் ரோட்டரி கிளப் ஆஃப் அம்பத்தூர் ஹேஸ் அ ஸ்பெஷல் பிளேஸ் இன் அவர் ரோட்டரி. ஸோ வி ஷுட் கிளாப் ஃபார் திஸ் ரோட்டரி கிளப் ஆஃப் அம்பத்தூர். ஒரு ப்ராஜெக்டை எடுத்துகிட்டு அதை ஒரு 40 வருஷமாக நடத்தணும், 40 வருஷத்தில் டோனர்ஸை கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டு அது ஸ்கூல்ஸுக்கு பண்ணணும்னா இட்ஸ் அ வெரி வெரி பிக் திங். Congratulations to all the past presidents and the members of Rotary Club of Ambattur for doing a wonderful job.
This is a great significant milestone for our organization that we have got this opportunity to set up this computer lab. I am very hopeful that this is a great new beginning. Over that, for this function, it is an honor for me and for Orion Innovation to be in the midst of such achievers and proud Rotarians who have been in the social cause for a very long time, and this school is wonderful. So kudos for all the good work that has been going on. So deepest gratitude to all of you for your dedication, passion, and the collective power of education which forms the pillar for this lab. I am sure that it's not going to be just a room, but it is going to be a beacon of hope, a symbol of progress, and also a testament of our collective commitment to the future. So Tamil Nadu always, and Tamilians in particular, has always given stress on education, and you have produced some of the best personalities, both in India as well as globally. Right from Ramanujam to C.V. Raman, to Abdul Kalam, to now Sundar Pichai. So let this lab be a place where the same curiosity gets nurtured, the same creativity gets unleashed, and new flights, new dreams take their flight. So it's important for us, and I am sure that from this school we will produce a new set of innovators, thinkers, and leaders. Thank you. Last but not the least, I would say, children, make the best use of this opportunity. Try everything out here. We have a lot of hope in you. That's it. Thanks from my side.
And all my dear students, very good evening to you all. நான் தமிழ்ல பேசலாம்னு இருக்கேன். Please bear with me. கனவு, ரைட்? நம்ம எல்லாம் கனவு காண்றோம். கனவுகள் நினைவாகும், ரைட்? Your dreams will come true. கம்ப்யூட்டர் சார்ந்த படிப்பு அதற்கான ஒரு வழி, ரைட்? இன்னைக்கு ரோட்டரியும் ஒராயனும் சேர்ந்து உங்களுக்கு கொடுத்துருக்க இந்த ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டி ஒரு சின்ன டூல் உங்கள் கனவுகளை நினைவாக்கிறதுக்கு. சார் அப்துல் கலாம் பற்றி சொன்னார். ஸோ விங்ஸ் ஆஃப் ட்ரீம், யுவர் ட்ரீம்ஸ் வில் கம் ட்ரூ. உங்கள் கனவுகளும் நினைவாகும். டுகெதர் எங்களோட ஆஃபீஸ் பேரர்ஸோட, எங்கள் ஆஃபீஸ் கலீக்ஸோட உங்கள் கனவுகளுக்கு ஹெல்ப் பண்ணுறதுக்கும் வழிகாட்டுறதுக்கும் நாங்கள் பெருமைப்படுறோம். Looking forward to working with you all guys. Thank you. Good day.